Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I just got to the house, checked the mailbox, and totally surprised. I got the other package from China. This is another one. I wasn't expecting these until June 10th, so it's still only the end of May. I don't know what's going on with China, but I ain't complaining. Let's see. I'm 99% sure what this is going to be. Just says electronics. And then it's in a bunch of Chinese. Yep, doesn't say. But that's okay. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I'll add links in the description box to the video I did the other day with the other parts and the links to Granddad's channel. Granddad is an old man. It's in this silverette type packaging. Should have just cut my knife out. Back in there backwards anyway. Like I said, I got these to go over to the OMG Brett KJ. He wants to do RC type stuff. And these are pretty much just plug and play. I mean, that's the receiver part, I guess. The part that goes in the vehicle, goes in your vehicle. And then this is your controller with battery pack. And then a couple of extra wires. These go to the motor. So I mean, it looks easy enough for me to do, and I am by no means electronically adept. Electronically inept, yes. I mean, I can do like basic wiring, you know, or I don't like doing house wiring. I can do basic wiring in a vehicle, like this cord. I cut off the other end and plug it into the battery that I have, the extra battery, and this keeps that battery charged up. And then I put the other end of this, which was the other end, you know, this actually goes into like a lighter socket. I attach that to the battery, and that's what I attach my fan to, and other. So yeah, that stuff's like, you know, that's super simple. So all this other stuff. First of all, I'm colorblind, and most of this stuff has to do with colors, and then it's something I never really got into. And there's a lot to get into to know what you're doing. So anyway, let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fandoculous. Go check me out on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. I'll have links in the description box, wherever that happens to be on your device of choice. Also have links to similar videos, and you'll find my email, my snail mail, and yada yada yada. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow, people. We ain't promised our next breath. Until I see y'all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all. I need to find me a new straw.